Ooh, well, morning. It is, I should say afternoon. It has been too cold this morning, and I haven't decided to brave it. But today, unexpectedly, I need to fix stuff on the 3 Series. Yeah, it's very cold. You can see where the sun's hit things and kind of defrosted them a little, which is a bit helpful. But the 3 Series has decided that the remote doesn't work anymore, so nothing. And on top of that, the battery is deciding that now that it's cold and wintry, as you can see, I'm kind of doing a bad job of showing it because it's all kind of melting at the moment. Whew, that is cold and wintry. There you go, across the road. See, snowy. The battery doesn't want to start the car all that well. It's kind of a very laboured, slow start, so I'm going to replace that. And look under this boot spoiler here, because this is where the diversity antenna sits. So I've got to open that up, unbolt the spoiler, check the diversity antenna. If that is alright and not full of icy water, then the problem is the wiring and the tailgate itself. So wish me luck. It is going to be horrible repairing wires in the freezing cold, but needs must. Well, our diversity antenna is dry and looks all right. Under the spoiler, as you see, I might have got my spot wrong, but nonetheless, it's dead center. Now, these wires here are for the heated rear glass, which still works, which is good, and the third brake light, which I assume works. I would have to double check that. But the antenna itself, its wires are here, and they run down this side of the car. Let me just get that car out of the way. There we go. Now, let's just rest that back there for a moment. And that presents itself here. Now obviously this sharp kink doesn't help facilitate longevity of wires. I know this because on my 320D that I had, also in a state, its rear lights stopped working properly, at least on the tailgate, and that was due to the wires here. So, without me wasting any more time trying to figure out what else is wrong, I am going to cut into this and see what the hell is going on, because guaranteed the wires are broken in there. So, let's dive into that and hope I'm right, or else I've got a lot more fault finding to do. But then again, I doubt it's the diversity antenna. If you're doing this yourself, I'd suggest lifting the whole tailgate up. Makes it easier to cut into the boot, and as you can see, I've got some severed wires. Hey, look at that. Typical E91 BMW stuff. Wow. Okay. Well, I'll repair these, I suppose. Alright, so got our little wires there. Nothing. And if we push them together and give that a little press. Sorry, I gotta do this. Oh, there you go. You can hear all the solenoids actuating again. Now that it's apart, nothing. Well, usual place to look is usually the best place to look, so I'm going to fix those wires up and reinforce them a bit and solve my problem. Well, we're done. Actually didn't have any black insulation tape, so it kind of looks a little band-aidy. So yeah, wires soldered, repaired, all done. Put a heat shrink on them. But I'm definitely going to get some black insulation tape and redo the gaiter for that. But now, central locking works again, which is amazing. Because for half the week I've had to use the blade key, and yeah, that's not fun, because then the car's alarm sounds off every time I open the car. And people look at you like you're trying to steal your own car, which I'm not. I'm just locked out of my car because the central locking stopped working. But thanks for coming along with the short adventure, and if this helped solve your problem, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like, or share it. A lot of people suffer from these problems, and hopefully it, you know, solves yours or theirs. So share, let everyone know. Till then, you guys stay awesome, and I'll see you next time.